Okay, for your singular. Now, what is another condition? The another condition is we have to check the singularity. Either it is regular singular or irregular singular. So, what is the conditions for that? The condition is for your regular singular is that if p dash of either p dash of z or q dash of z or both diverges, that means they are tends to infinity, but z times p dash of z times p dash of z and z square q dash of z. Remember that अगोदरच्या याच्यामध्ये होता x minus x naught p of x and x minus x naught bracket square q of x. Now what is that? Now the condition is z times p dash of z and z square q dash of z if they remains finite at x is equal to infinity or z is equal to 0, then the point x is equal to infinity is said to be a regular singular point. सगळ्यांच्या लक्षात येते का पहा? Condition singular साठी अशा आहेत की either p dash of z or q dash of z or both diverges, but z times p dash of z and z square q dash of z there remains finite and x is equal to infinity or z is equal to 0, then x is equal to infinity is said to be a regular singular point. And the last one, what is the irregular? The irregular singular point is on the same basis, either p dash of z or q dash of z or both diverges, दोन्ही डायव्हर्ज झाले पाहिजे, किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये अजून कंडिशन आहे की z times p dash of z tends to plus minus infinity and oblique r. हे महत्वाचं आहे. इथं फक्त इथं दोन्ही पण फायनाइट असले पाहिजे, z p dash of z, z square p dash of z. इथं काय पाहिजे? दोन्ही किंवा दोन्ही पैकी एक. So z p dash of z tends to plus minus infinity and oblique r z square q dash of z tends to plus minus infinity. Then and then x is equal to infinity is said to be an irregular singular point. सगळ्यांनी लक्षात येते का पहा? If either z times p dash of z and oblique or z square q dash of z that tends to plus minus infinity, then x is equal to infinity or z is equal to z0 is called as irregular singular point. Definition दोन्ही याच्या सारख्या आहे. चेंजेस फक्त कशामध्ये आहे? चेंजेस फक्त एकाच गोष्टीमध्ये आहे and that is nothing but x and z. So remember this point while you are just checking out you are singular at x equal to infinity, you have to remember that z is equal to 1 upon x. So what is the conditions? The condition is that we have to use this equation d2y by dz square p dash of z dy by dz plus q dash of z y and that must be equal to 0. तर हे ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन आपण करून घेतलं आणि त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला हे दोन इक्वेशन्स मिळाले. तर हे दोन इक्वेशन्स लक्षात ठेवा. नाउ विल सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लेम्स. प्रॉब्लेम्स बघूया एक दोन. हे तुमच्या लक्षामध्ये येईल की कशा पद्धतीनं हे x इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी जे आहे x इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी द पॉइंट either it will show us an ordinary point, either it will show us an singular point, and if it is singular either it is regular or a irregular singular point. So we'll have that point in our mind. So I'll take the simplest one and we'll have to check out all the conditions. ठीक आहे. सोपं घेऊया. जो आपण अगोदरही घेतलेला होता त्याच पद्धतीनं So I will first write this equation p dash of z here. Equation लिहून घेऊया हे आपल्या लक्षामध्ये राहते. So p dash of z, that value is equal to twice z cube minus z square into p of 1 upon z, okay, divided by z raised to 4. This is the first thing. And q dash of z is easier one, the simpler thing, that is q of 1 upon z, and that is divided by z raised to 4. So we can have these two things. ठीक आहे, तर ह्या दोन गोष्टी आपल्याकडे आहेत आणि याच्यावरती आता आपल्याला सगळं सॉल्व करायचं. रिमेंबर द लास्ट प्रॉब्लेम्स दॅट वी हॅव सॉल्व्ड. पाठीमागचे जे काही प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण सॉल्व केले तीही लक्षामध्ये ठेवा. So we'll have these conditions. So p dash of z. Now the problem is, the problem, explain the point at x is equal to at infinity. So write the problem, so we'll have the idea. Explain the point at infinity. Explain the point at infinity is an ordinary point. Is an ordinary point or a singular point. मुझे नहीं सांगितले नहीं है. Okay, they just want to check whether you know the concepts or will have the proper idea of the singularity or ordinary point. So the problem is check whether the point at infinity is ordinary or singular point of the differential equation, that is the Hermite's differential equation, that is y double dash minus twice x y dash plus twice lambda y is equal to 0 plus twice lambda y and is equal to 0. ठीक है, अजून एक क्वेश्चन विचारलाय त्यांनी, if singular, if this x is equal to infinity is singular, check the nature of singularity. म्हणजे काय, जर सिंग्युलर असेल तर चेक करा की either it is regular singular or irregular singular. So what is the conditions? We'll have this point. Problem जर डायरेक्ट विचारला whether it is explain or show that it is ordinary point or regular or irregular, then it becomes much easier. आपल्याला जर कन्सेप्ट माहित असतील तर आपण लगेच ते दाखवू शकतो. परंतु जर असे प्रॉब्लेम असतील then we'll have to keep in our mind the proper definitions. कुठल्या प्रकारच्या डेफिनेशन्स आहेत, काय डेफिनेशन आहेत, हे लक्षात ठेवून आपल्याला आता हे सॉल्व करावं लागणार आहे. So the first thing is that the equation is given in terms of x, not in terms of z. ठीक है, मतलब जर in terms of x असेल, so what we'll have to do, we'll have to compare this with y double dash plus p of x y dash plus this q of x y and that is equal to 0. ठीक है, आपलं जे काही ओरिजिनल सेकंड ऑर्डर लिनियर होमोजेनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन आहे ऑर्डिनरी, तर त्याच्याबरोबर कंपॅरिझन करायचं. and so we get the first thing, that is p of x, and that p of x is nothing but minus twice x, and the second thing is that is q of x, and that q of x is nothing but twice lambda. आता आपल्याला हे लागत नाही, आपल्याला याची गरज नाहीये p of x आणि q of x. what do you want? we want p dash of z and q dash of z. आता p dash आणि q dash of z काढायचं असेल तर आपल्याला काय पाहिजे, आपल्याला या ठिकाणी टर्म्स पाहिजे p of 1 upon z आणि q of 1 upon z. so let us use, I'll write here, let z is equal to 1 upon x. ये आपली कंडीशन है, आपण ऑलरेडी पाहिलेली आहे. and therefore this p of 1 upon z is equal to minus x की वैल्यू किती है, z है, so x is 1 upon z, so this is nothing but 2 divided by z. first thing, what about q of z? q of 1 upon z, and that q of 1 upon z is as it is, that is nothing but twice lambda. म्हणजे q of x काढा, q of x काढा, त्याच्यावरच पुढचे z is equal to 1 upon x, we can find out त्या दोन गोष्टी मिळाल्या की आपल्याला आता काय करायचंय, p dash of z काढायचं आणि q dash of z काढायचं. सो I'll just write it here. You can have that point. So you'll have these conditions. Okay. So from this I will have this p dash of z. That p dash of z is nothing but twice z cube as it is. So this is 2z cube minus this is z square, and that is multiplied by p of 1 upon z. P of 1 upon z is nothing but minus 2 upon z. So I will just put it here. Minus 2 divided by z, and it is divided by z raised to 4. Okay. So what is that value? That value comes out to be, this is p dash of z is equal to twice z cube minus become plus, as z square has z बरोबर cancel होऊन जाईल. So this is nothing but twice z, and it is divided by z raised to 4. What about the next thing? The next thing is nothing but q dash of z, and the q dash of z is nothing but q of 1 upon z, that is nothing but twice lambda, and that is divided by z raised to 4. ठीक है. So you'll have this point. So आता आपल्याला प्रॉपर इक्वेशन मिळाले p dash of z आणि q dash of z मध्ये. आपल्याला चेक करायचं आहे की हा पॉइंट ऑर्डिनरी आहे की सिंग्युलर आहे. So to check the point x is equal to infinity or z is equal to 0. Okay, we'll have a condition that is limit. आता इथे कशामध्ये टर्म्स सगळ्या टर्म्स z मध्ये आहेत, म्हणून लिमिट कुठला घ्यावं लागणार आहे, टेक अ लिमिट ॲज अ z. सो z टेंड्स टू 0. So this z tends to 0, p dash of z. So we'll have to check it out. Limit z tends to 0, p dash of z, first thing. And the second thing is limit z tends to 0, q dash of z. या दोन गोष्टी चेक केल्या की याच्यावरून आपल्याला लक्षात येईल की पॉइंट जो आहे x इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी किंवा z इक्वल टू 0 हा ऑर्डिनरी आहे की सिंग्युलर आहे. जर तो फायनाइट आला तर ऑर्डिनरी, जर हे लिमिट डायव्हर्स झालं तर इन्फायनाइट किंवा दॅट इज सिंग्युलर. सो यू कॅन हॅव दॅट फर्स्ट पॉइंट इन युअर माइंड. सो दिस इज ट्वाइस z क्यूब, ओके, प्लस z. So this is twice z cube plus twice z divided by z raised to 4. So I just put that value, and I can have the conditions, that is limit this z tends to 0. So this is twice z cube plus twice z divided by this z raised to 4. And if you can put the value of this z here, z is equal to 0, everything becomes 0, and so you can have this is equal to infinity. सगळ्यांच्या लक्षात येते कसं इन्फिनिटी? जस्ट चेक इट आउट. याच्यामध्ये ही जी मी टर्म आपण लिहिली, या टर्म मध्ये एक टर्म कॉमन आहे, that is nothing but z. So I just write this is in terms of twice z square plus 2 into z divided by z raised to 4. So this becomes like this. I write it here. Limit z tends to 0. This is 2 plus 2z square divided by z cube. This becomes 2 plus 2z cube z square divided by z cube, and if you can put this value, this comes out to be infinite. ठीक आहे. म्हणजे जर हे इन्फायनाइट येत आहे याचा अर्थ हे ऑर्डिनरी नाही आहे. जस्ट चेक इट आउट फॉर अ सेकंड. सो लिमिट z tends to 0. This is twice lambda divided by this z raised to 4, and this comes out to be again infinity. So as this is infinite, so I write it here as z times, p dash of z and q dash of z diverges, and hence x is equal to infinity is which point? Is a singular point. It is a singular point. This is now condition. जर हे फायनाइट आले असते then it is said to be an ordinary point. Now the second condition is that to check the nature of singularity. दुसरं काय विचारलं, जर सिंग्युलर असेल तर त्याचा नेचर काय. So to check the nature, what we have to consider? We have to consider the limit z tends to 0, z p dash of z. Okay, and the second condition, limit z tends to 0, z square q dash of z. आता याच्यामध्ये कंडिशन्स आहेत, जर z टाइम्स p dash of z आणि z स्क्वेअर q dash of z हे दोन्ही फायनाइट आले तर रेग्युलर सिंग्युलर, दोन्हीपैकी एक जरी डायव्हर्ज झालं तर इरेग्युलर सिंग्युलर. सो we'll have to just check it out. So I'll write the terms, that is limit, this is z tends to 0, this is z multiplied by the value of p dash of z, and that p dash of z is this much. So that we have calculated here, that is in terms of 2 times, okay, and just put a bracket, this is twice z square divided by z cube. ठीक है, एक z बराबर कैंसिल हो जाएगी, so you can have a term that is twice 2 plus 2 z square upon z square, and this comes out to be infinity. So this is infinite as it is diverges. Okay, we'll say that this is an irregular singular point. What about this one? So this is limit z tends to 0, z square multiplied by this twice lambda upon z raised to 4. So again this will get cancelled out. So this is twice lambda upon z square. So this is again, I'll write it here, limit z tends to 0, twice lambda upon z square, and if you can put the value of z is equal to 0, this comes out to be infinity. What does it mean? दोन्ही टर्म्स इन्फाइनाइट आल्या, याचा अर्थ काय? This means that x is equal to infinity or z is equal to 0 is a singular point, but the nature of singularity is irregular. Is a irregular singular point. Just definition लक्षात ठेवा. Definition काय तेवढा लक्षात ठेवल्या की तुम्हाला हे सगळं लक्षामध्ये राहील. जे प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण जे काही x is equal to x नॉट ला सॉल्व केले तसेच याच्यामध्ये फरक एवढाच आहे की आपल्याला हे ट्रान्सफॉर्म करायचे आयदर इन टर्म्स ऑफ p dash of z and q dash of z, आणि मग यांचे लिमिट्स घ्यायचे. अगोदर याच्यामध्ये आपण लिमिट घेत होतो इन टर्म्स ऑफ x. आता जे काही तुमचं x is equal to infinity च्या कंडिशन्स आहेत ह्या सगळ्याला आपल्याला लिमिट घ्यायचे z tends to 0. हे जर घेतलं तर याच्यावरून आपल्याला कळेल either it is an ordinary point, either it is singular, and if it is singular we have to check the singularity, either it is regular or irregular. So for this Hermite's differential equation at x is equal to infinity, this gives us a singular point, and the nature of singularity is nothing but irregular. So this is one condition. I'll solve one more. So I have to check this. Conditions, what should be the proper values? Either it is in the regular or irregular singular points, and then we'll have to look at the conditions. Now I'll just take a simple example. The example is like this: show that x is equal to infinity is an irregular singular point. आता त्यांनी डायरेक्ट आपल्याला सांगितलं की हा जो काय x is equal to infinity आहे ही irregular singular point आहे असं दाखवा. Irregular singular point, okay, of a differential equation y double dash plus omega square y double dash plus omega square y and is equal to 0. Okay, मग आता काय करायचंय? सिंपल कंपॅरिझन करायचंय. सो व्हाट इज द कंडिशन? y double dash plus p of x y dash plus q of x y is equal to 0. So by comparing we will get the p of x and q of x. p of x चं इथं कंपॅरिझन साठी काहीच नाही असेल जसं p of x is equal to 0 q of x या ठिकाणी जी काही व्हॅल्यू आहे q of x ची that is nothing but omega square. So we have two things, p of x is equal to 0, q of x is equal to omega square. So by using z is equal to 1 upon x, we can have p of 1 upon z. So p of 1 upon z, so this comes out to be 0, and q of 1 upon z, and that is nothing but omega square. So we'll have two things. ठीक है, p of 1 upon z ची value 0 आली, q of 1 upon z ची value omega square आली. So we can write the first thing, that is p dash of z. p dash of z कसा लिखता है? So this is nothing but twice z cube minus, we can have z square into p of 1 upon z, and so this is equal to 0. So I just say this is 0 divided by z raised to 4, and so this is comes out to be 2 upon z. Z cube and z raised to 4 cancel on the thing, and you can have that terms. And the second thing is q dash of z is nothing but q of 1 upon z. So this is nothing but omega square divided by z raised to 4. So we'll have two things, p dash of z and q dash of z. दोन्ही गोष्टी आपल्याला मिळाल्या, and so we can have that point. So we'll just write that p dash of z is 2 upon z and q dash of z is omega square upon z raised to 4. Now we'll have to check out the singularity. So to check out the singularity, what we'll have to consider? We'll have to consider these conditions. Limit z tends to 0, p dash of z. So we can just put the value limit z tends to 0. This is 2 divided by z. So if you can put the value of z is equal to 0, this comes out to be infinite. So this is infinite. What about the second one? This is omega square upon z raised to 4. So again this will become infinite. सगळ्यांच्या लक्षात येते कंडिशन तशा आहे की z ची व्हॅल्यू इथे 0 टाकायची आणि ओमेगा स्क्वेअर अपॉन 0 this comes out to be infinite. So as p dash of z and q dash of z both diverges and hence x is equal to infinity is singular point. To check the nature, we'll have to consider this condition, limit z tends to 0, z p dash of z. So limit z tends to 0, we just put the values and we can write this is z multiplied by p dash of z. This is nothing but 2 upon z. So this z will get cancelled out and this comes out to be 2. So this becomes finite. Okay, first condition. What about the second condition? So limit z tends to 0, z square q dash of z. So I just put the value here. So this is z square multiplied by q dash of z, and that is nothing but omega square upon z raised to 4. Okay, so how z square and z raised to 4 बरोबर cancel होऊन जाईल. So I write this is nothing but limit z tends to 0, omega square upon z square, and this comes out to be infinity. So this is infinite. Remember the condition for irregular singular point. What is the condition? If either p dash of z or q dash of z are both diverges and limit or z p dash of z tends to plus minus infinity and oblique odd, दोन्ही किंवा दोन्ही पैकी एक. So we can have that z p dash of z is finite but z square q dash of z is infinite, and so you can just say the condition that should be like this as z square q dash of z tends to infinity as, okay, or at x is equal to infinity or z is equal to 0, and hence x is equal to infinity is said to be an irregular singular point. सगळ्यांच्या लक्षात येते का बघा, एक्झाम्पल एकदम सोपं आहे. Okay, either we'll have to first find out p of x, q of x, then find out p of 1 upon z, q of 1 upon z, use it in terms of p dash of z and q dash of z, check out the conditions for limit p dash of z, q dash of z. If it is singular, check out the condition for z p dash of z and z square q dash of z. If both are finite, it is regular singular. If one of them is infinite, one of them diverges, then it is said to be an irregular singular point. So this is your singularity at x is equal to infinity. So we'll just try to solve. I'll give you two problems. So सॉल्व करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा, काय आहे ते पहा. Problem is like this. Show that x is equal to infinity is a regular singular point. आता irregular पाहिलंय, आता त्यांनी विचारलंय की show that the point at infinity is a regular singular point of a differential equation 1 minus x square y double dash, okay, plus not plus minus twice x y dash minus twice x y dash plus L into L plus 1 into y, and that is equal to 0. 1 minus x square y double dash minus twice x y dash plus L into L plus 1 into y is equal to 0, where L is constant, where this L is constant. सोपा प्रॉब्लेम है. अगोदर त्याला प्रॉपर फॉर्म मध्ये ट्रान्सफॉर्म करा. y double dash minus twice x upon 1 minus x square into y dash plus L into L plus 1 divided by this 1 minus x square into 1, and that is equal to 0. त्याच्यावरनं p of x काढा. So that p of x is nothing but minus twice x divided by 1 minus x square, and q of x is nothing but L into L upon L plus 1 divided by 1 minus x square. Then try to transform it in terms of p of 1 upon z by using z is equal to 1 by x and q of 1 by z. Then find p dash of z, q dash of z. आता इथे विचारले रेग्युलर सिंग्युलर, सो सिंग्युलर येणारच आहे अगोदर. रेग्युलर सिंग्युलर मध्ये त्या दोन्हीच्या काय व्हॅल्यू येतात, बिकम्स फायनाइट. ठीक आहे. वन मोर प्रॉब्लेम, अजून एक प्रॉब्लेम आहे. सो द प्रॉब्लेम इज show that x is equal to infinity is essential singularity. X is equal to infinity is essential singularity. Essential म्हणजे कुठली, essential म्हणजे irregular. ठीक आहे, हे लक्षात ठेवा. So essential singularity of a equation that is x square y double dash plus xy dash plus x square minus n square into y, and that is equal to 0. X square y double dash plus xy dash plus x square minus n square y is equal to 0. परत एकदा इथं तसंच हा x square इकडे ट्रान्सफर करून द्या. So we'll get the first thing y double dash plus 1 upon x square is 1 upon x plus x square minus n square upon x square y, and that is equal to 0. So p of x is 1 upon x, q of x is nothing but x square minus n square upon x square, or that becomes 1 minus n square upon x square. Use z is equal to 1 by x, find p of z, 1 by z, q of 1 by z, then find out p dash of 1 by p dash of z and q dash of z, and then you can just stick it out. Either it is an ordinary point, आता ऑर्डिनरी वगैरे विचारलं नाही, आता विचारलंय फक्त इसेन्शियल आहे की कुठला. सो